Folkish Creations is a jewelry brand founded by Lexi. She's a graduate from Bachelor's in Art History at the University of North Carolina. Her creations are inspired by folk art specially created for wild folks. Rena is the creator of Rena Illustrations. She creates illustrations inspired by magical realism and fairy tales. She loves using textures and reinventing textures. She mostly draws with ink, also using mixed media such as crayons, gouache, and ink. Sara is an independent artist based in Berlin, Germany. She loves drawing characters and outfits. She has been working as an artist full-time for 7 years now. She loves sharing educational content like art tutorials and how-tos.